Hello everybody and welcome to a new game on the channel and to the community, Slime Ranchers 2. And today we'll be playing it, obviously. We're gonna do the tutorial and everything. I probably should have looked through those settings. Well, anyway. We have those settings on. I don't know what those are. I'll be reading these little things. After a long day of slime ranching, someone, I don't know how to pronounce, was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sun set across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat has arrived at her dock with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. You have explored the far ranch from the dusty shores to the dry reefs to the furthest reaches of the I don't know how to pronounce that. Something glass desert, but there are worlds yet uncharted. Human, Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. Someone excitedly jumps on the board. Excitedly. I can't English. Excitedly boarded the boat, and it took her across the slime sea. Eventually she saw an island unlike anything on the far ranch. Mountains, trees, and grasses, all in an array of color that danced and moved like a dream. She explored and found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of her island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need to wrangle slimes, start a farm, and build gadgets. I'm so good at English, guys. And so a new adventure begins. Human tightens her boots, readying her backpack, and setting out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. And just so you know, I've played the first Slime Ranchers, but I've seen nothing on this one. So I know the basics. Ooh. Start moving. I'm doing the tutorial, because Home's forcing me to. Yay, I have a vacuum. I don't want this, you're mine. I've already done the tutorial. The tutorial was the exact same. I'm pretty sure. The tutorial is the same as in the old one. So. Oh, it's a little less guidance, I think. You know, I know now I need to find a food, because I played the old one. A food? I need to find food. What is this? A light. I thought a light was food. Try to find. Oh, here's food. Eat it! Yay! Now give me your plort. And now I'm gonna sell your poop. Oh! That's a. Wait, no, that's not new. This is a new plort. Though, that's a new plort. Yeah, they added some new slime. That's a new plort, though. I don't know what that one is. But I know all the older slimes. Alright, oh. Go out here and explore. I'm taking more pink slimes. Actually, I don't want pink slimes. The rainbow field. Shifting colors like a dream, fading just as quickly. I actually have no idea how to, like, start anything, so I'm just grabbing whatever I see. Because in the old game, I knew what my objective was, but in this one, I don't know. Guess we'll just grab fruits. So we can grow them. Ooh, these are new slime! Cotton slime. Hop, skip, and a jump. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Oh, they stack. You're mine now. So I do love how they redid everything. Like, it's Especially how good the graphics are. Yoink. I don't need chickens. Chickens are annoying me, bro. Ooh, yay, one of these! The map balls things. You've unlocked a rainbow field. Map data, that's what it's called. Okay. Well. Let's just keep going, I guess, until we find something interesting. Tabby slime! I don't like you. Oh. What is... Oh. Refinery that links and transports resources and... Okay, I couldn't read that in time. Oh, what are you? Research drone. Access GG log. So, I was so in over my head when I first started here. I remember hauling Jellystone back to the conservatory by hand because I was so excited. Breathlessly sweating. I was going... I cannot read. I was going about everything all wrong, but I was happy. There's little time now, so I'll need these refinery links if I'm going to be efficient. This time, I'm going to do it right. I'm so good at reading. Can I not, like... I know this is one of the little drones, but I guess I can't do anything with him. He seems to be struggling, which is the sad part. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Well, how do I get up there? I guess I need a jetpack. Oh, wait. Sarge, maybe. Oh. This is how you get up here. Ta-da! No, you have this area. Oh, that shows up on the map. Interesting. I guess we use teleporters to go from point A to point B. Or to the different islands to unlock new slimes. That's interesting. Okay, well there was another direction over here. So, here was this way. Whoa, first slime. Like, I'm collecting all these, even though they're probably just gonna jump straight up. Upgraded to harvest this. I guess we can harvest materials by hand now. Like. What do these guys eat? I'm curious. Slime pity. Here we go. Slimes. What do you eat? Fruits, I guess, and favorites. Whatever that is. A new fruit. Of course, it's a new animal. Its favorite food's gonna be something new. This doesn't lead anywhere. Very interestingly. I don't want to jump down there. Because I feel like there's not going to be a way back up. Other than the slime ocean. Yeah, well, I'm gonna go back. So, I'm gonna go back and deposit, I guess. Oh, I might have sprint. This way. Alright, it was... We're assuming I can just check the map. It wasn't this way. So good at going everywhere but the right direction. Ew, a plart! Mine. Mine. They're all mine. I almost just walked off the edge. Whoa! Oh, well, I found one of the phosphor. I found the phosphor gordo. He looks so happy. Wait, doesn't what does he eat? What do phosphors eat? I don't know. I think they eat fruits, right? Yeah, fruits. We're gonna make sure we have one left over. Okay, well, I'll come back to him. Or go back to him, I guess. Do it this way.
Whee. Okay, well, now we're gonna build a farm. Oh, this is a new thing. Is that anything new? No. Can I build a farm?
Yes, I can.
Or a garden, I guess. Be pogoed! No, we're gonna take you guys, because I don't want pink slimes, because they sell for like absolutely nothing. We're gonna yeet them over there. Now, we're gonna have cotton slimes. This is a terrible idea to have, like, more than this many.
They're all gonna jump out, but that's alright.
Now eat food and be calm. You eat veggies. Mm. Someone eat. Oh. Eat. Someone. I put 20 of you in here. And some of you aren't eating. One? Oh, I thought one already jumped out. No, I don't want them. Go. Go away. I'm trying to grab your plort. Is that all? This guy's already jumping out. No. Get out of here. No. Man. They're already jumping out. No! Go back there. And just grab your parts. Okay, we're gonna get rid of some of you guys. It's too many. Too many. There. And that's why you don't have like 1,000 slimes. In one cage. Unless you have like high walls. They're still escaping! Get back here. Limit the numbers even more. There. There's only 10 in there, I think. About 10. I guess cotton plorts are also bad plorts. Because they don't sell for much either. There's a lot of plorts too. I'm assuming that this entire thing is going to be filled. And I guess we have to I don't know how, but I guess we have to unlock some of the plorts. So I guess I'll sleep through morning, because it's being late. Whoa! Sleep for 6 hours, sleep till night, sleep till morning. Okay, well we'll sleep till morning. No! Stop it. Wait, they eat fruit. Okay, hold on. You guys are going with me. You're going with me on an adventure. They don't eat that. They eat veggies, and I'm stupid and put the wrong thing. Nope, I need these veggies. Wait, no, I need that. I didn't mean to shoot that. I meant to shoot the slime. No, my slimes. No, go away. I need these. No, no, give me that. No, eh. It's a disaster. We need 8. Probably more, actually. At least 8. Stop it. Stop it. Go away. No. No, my carrots. No, there's carrots over there. No. Stamp! Mine. Now, what is this? Oh, another drown. Here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to their original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. This place. I still remember being in in AWE. There you go. I don't know. Of these rainbow fields. It feels like being in a beautiful dream, and I guess in a way it was because it ended much too soon. I'm terrible at reading. So, oh, I got scared by a slime. Never thought in this entire game I would get jump scared by a slime. Yay, we have enough carrots now. Alright, bye. Look at how many slime there are. On a sprint. Kind of interesting that the phosphor slime was here. I would have thought that the phosphor slime was going to be on one of the different islands, but I guess not. Apparently we had 9. Eat. You guys were supposed to be hungry. Tell me I got you this food and you're not hungry. I'm gonna take these so we can feed the other slime. Alright, now we just... There we go. Now we go over into the gordo slime and feed him these pogo fruits. Sadly I don't have Q berries because I'm pretty sure that's its favorite. What? Oh, he's over here. Oh, he's over on this side. Yeah, he's down here, maybe? Oh. Oh, here's the boat we went on. That's cool. Where is this guy? Oh, he's... What? Where is this little slime? No, there he is. Eat more food. Oh, he's gonna explode. Hey, what's your phosphorus? I don't want that. What I do want is you. Get back here. I want you. Phosphor flames are cool. I don't need chicken. What is this? Okay. Oh, this is water. I thought that was water. Okay. Oh, so this is how you open things. I need a tabby plurt. What is this? What? Oh. Well, here's my tabby plurt. Cool. Ta-da! What is this place? I want to take this with me. Whoa! New pod. What's it gonna give? Light tanker used as fabricator upgrade to upgrade the vac tank geared. Interesting. Well, that's kind of worth my time, I guess. Whoa! Oh, that was so bright outside. Behind us is where we need to go. Oh, we blew up a slime. It's okay. I think he's alive. I don't know what actually happens to them when they explode. But we have a bunch of phosphor slime, which is good, because these guys are kind of rare. I don't actually know if that's true. I just like phosphor slime, because I think they're adorable. My favorite slime is the phosphor honey slime. But that could change. Well, actually, I take that back. Puddle. I like the puddle slime. Look at these idiots. How much is nightlight? Too much. Alright then. Removing the cotton slimes. And we're gonna buy nightlight. Or the solar shield. Purchase. Now we can have phosphorus. Wait, don't I need a roof? Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Fap, 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 fap. No. I need the roof. How much is the roof? No, we're too poor for it. Alright, in the meantime, you guys live here. But for right now, actually, we need to feed one of them. Feed. Feed. Eat. Eat. Come on, eat up. Eat the food. No. Eat the food! Eat it. Eat it. Okay, now I'm taking both of you. Eat it. It's literally behind you. Do you have mine? Thank you. Now I'm gonna eat both of you. That's your porch. Bonk, 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 bonk. Is there a carrot around here? I'm gonna grow a carrot. Oh. Whoa! This is a fabricator. Oh, so you can either buy it, or you can... Oh. You can buy it or make it. That's cool. What? So I can get the resource harvester, heart module, energy, or power core, dash boots, jetpack, tank booster, the extra tank slot? And then water tank, an angular plort, that's a new plort. Then the pulse wave, and then the tank gear. Salvage up to 20% of your back continents upon accidental encounter with slime sea, or following other forms of heart lost. Okay. Apparently I already have a tank liner. Interesting. But none of the hunter with crystal parts ain't new. That's cool. Oh, this is the refinery. A baddie plort? That's also new. Fire plort's not. Flutter plort is new, I'm assuming. I think it's new. I'm pretty sure it's plort. So there's 3 known plorts that are new. So... that's pretty cool, I guess. We unlocked a cool new area. So yeah. We just need another carrot. Except I don't think we're gonna find another carrot. Perhaps up here? Wait. Wait. No, you eat meat! No! Wait. Eat it, no. Eat it. Yay, money! So that's the lucky slime. Wait, is it still our pouch? That's the lucky slime. That's one of few slime that will give you money. And there's also the gold slime that gives you money as well. No! I need those carrots. Are you guys still eating carrots? They ate all the carrots over here. Why? I needed those. I need carrots. Go away. Okay, I got 1 carrot. It's fine. 1 carrot's all we need. Yeah, we might as well take multiple. Let them starve. It's very mean, but we're gonna let them starve. Pop, 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 pop. Bonk. Okay, we're gonna put carrots over here. Even though I was saving up for something else, we need carrots. take my carrot. Said take my... Said take the carrot there. Yeah, you don't want those rack up. Okay, we're gonna sleep until... yeah, 6 hours.
Did the carrots grow? Some of them did. Enough of them did. Enough carrots have grown. Eat.
Eat up. I can't hold anymore. Hopefully this gives us enough for the skylight. Or the roof, I guess. The roof panel. Then we can
yeet these guys back out into the wild.
Do we have enough?
I think we just barely have enough. Internet! Yay! Now we can have these guys in here. I really shouldn't be able to jump out. And we're going to free these guys. Buzzard! Hey. Bonk, 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 bonk. Okay. Eat a carrot. Okay, well, we went through 2 day cycles. We got phosphor slimes. We got the new slime. And we also found out a secret area that gave us some new thing. We found out where the lab was located. Oh wait, there's more actually. This is just another entrance. This is just another entrance. Wow. We found the lab.
which is underneath. So, I think all in all, we did pretty good today. We found a lot of fun stuff. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode here. And leave it for when probably next week. Or whenever I decide to upload again. Because my upload schedule has been blitzed. So yeah, we're gonna end that here. And I will see you next time.